We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
So breakfast is cereal, milk, infusion oils, and my fruit. You can have it. And since I'm very productive, I'm working on my Spanish Duolingo. So productive. So today we're going to the library, and then we'll see. It's a shitty weather. But at least that's it. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. So look at what I got the other day. So cute. I found it actually in the shop and I thought it looked very romantic. Oh wow. So we're ready to go to the library. And yeah, it's pretty much just gonna be it. We are doing some studying and some planning and being productive and motivate each other, which is great. So we're off to the library, and yeah, not much to see here. Well, I'm going down to the river for a walk because I'm very tired. Been studying for like 4 hours with no break. Just realizing that this is where I go to uni, it's pretty amazing. I've been studying for like 4 hours, and then I thought, ooh, why not, let's, go for a walk, because I'm pretty tired. So let's go for a walk in the freaking woods, because this is where I study. Freaking woods. And we have freaking river here. And what? Right? But I had to take a tea because they didn't have any soy milk, so I couldn't get coffee, which is annoying. But yeah, walking in the woods, having fun, kind of. I feel bad speaking because it's so silent. It's amazing. Camera died, so I'm filming on my phone, and a girl just passed me and she looked at me like she hated me because I was filming. It was really weird. But anyway, I just realized as well how much I miss being in nature and like walking around in nature. I don't know why I've never done it before. Sorry, I feel self-conscious now. But I liked it as a kid, and then I hated it. I mostly hated moths and like insects because they were really annoying. But this past 2 years or something, especially last summer, I've learned to love it again. And yeah, especially when I was in Australia, it was so amazing to walk in the middle of nowhere and in the middle of nature. Sorry, a bit of a bumpy staircase. So yeah, and I'm just realizing right now that I'm walking in nature how much I miss this. It's just fills you up so much. It's incredible, and it's just something that I should do more. You're ready for Christmas and for Vlogmas, letting me rediscover my passion for nature. Yeah, mine looks bad. Why? Pizza. Yeah, mine too. Sad pizza. Still pizza.